Hello, hi. My name is Lav Kumar. So today we learn about the what exactly the meaning of the machine learning. So don't waste time. So let me share my screen and yes. So yeah. So what exactly the machine learning means? So before going to that, what exactly the meaning of the let's say what is mean by that learning, right? Let's say I want to learn a dance. I don't know how to dance. So what I do is I will reach a coach or some expert guy and hey man, can you teach me how to learn a dance? In the same case, the similar way we can learn the singing, you can do the even the skating, even the playings also, right? So this is a way what we are doing is the expert will give their experience. Let's say in our childhood, what happened is in our childhood, we don't know how to walk, right? So what happened? So that time the elders, whatever whoever the elder people are there, so they come and teach us, right? So like let's say I don't know how to walk in the early days. So my parents or the friends or some elder sisters or brothers, they helping me to walk slowly. It took some time, but they will teach, they will give the support and hey, move like this, move like this. Okay, this is the this way, that way. This is the way your brain will store the data, right? So they are giving the instructions based on that. You are started learning that. And one day, what you are doing is no man is around you. You can start moving yourself by taking the support of the wall or something, right? This is the way, if something is you don't know, you can learn it, right? So the people are teaching us their experience. The similar case of that, how to make a dance and the singing also. So this kind of learnings are there. So in early days, people are thought about the is it possible to teach the some skills to them my machine? Okay, this computer. Is it possible or not? As immediately they what they're doing is how we're learning from the data. This similar fashion, they bring the lot of data and they started teaching to the machines. So that is the way they teach to the machines. So let's see what exactly the definition wise the machine learning means itself. So that we know now what exactly the learning means. But we're teaching to the machine, that is the machine learning, right? We're teaching to the machine and the computers. Computers are nothing but the machines to learn from data. Here we are giving the different type of data. It may be in the form of CSV or Excel sheets or PDFs or images, anything we will give it to the computers. And similar to how humans learn from the experiences, the same way, the same way. But here we will use the some rules, right? A step of rules we will use here. The step of rules are like we'll use some algorithms, right? Algorithms we will use. But these algorithms means step by step flow by using the math and coding we will use here, right? So the machine learning is nothing but teaching computers to learn from data, similar how humans learn from the experience instead of following the rigid rules. So the computers identify the patterns of the data, so they make the decisions, right? So this is fine, Mr. Logmar, but what exactly really happening? So let's say you are saying that some algorithm means some step-by-step workflow, right? But how many ways it is there? How many ways of there is? The machine learning is in the different forms, like different types, you can say. It's like a supervised machine learning, and the unsupervised machine learning. and even reinforcement. ML. Oh, super. Nice. But what does this supervised machine learning, unsupervised, and the reinforcement? Before going to this, where exactly the people use the machine learning is in real time scenarios. If you open any app, any type of application, people are using like anything. They kill actually. Let's say if you are using the Zomato, so the tracking system will be happening, right? That how much time it will take to reach that order to your stub doors. The prediction will be by using supervised machine learning. Let's say you're located at some location in the Hyderabad or Bangalore, okay, or in Mumbai or Pune, at some location, and you're trying to book some Ola, or Uber, or Rapido. At the business point of view, the Rapido guy need that particular location. How many people are make the bookings at particular time? Let's say office hours are between the 9 to 11. So how many bookings are happening here? So that's very interesting to their business because if they are unable to bring those many cabs or bikes, this business will be failed and that business will be taken over by the other people, right? So it will mostly useful to make the predictions in the different fields. You can take the healthcare and the healthcare industry, like let's say some tests are taken only. The tests are like the person have the after 10 years have the BP and sugar or not. Yes, we can make the prediction based on the previous data. I will take the 10 years of data of different patients and their health, what they are following. Okay. Based on that data, I can train to my machine and the machine will make the prediction what happen after 10 years to me. I'm giving the my data. So this is the way the machine learning will be working. So what exactly I will finish with a simple example. So this is the machine. First what happens is I will give the data here, and I will make it train the complete data and I will get the output here. And from this output, we will get the some results. Take this healthcare example. So I have already trained on the lot of patients of the data, the BP and sugars and healthy people who are having. I have already trained, and now I'm giving the input here of my data. And after 10 years, am I facing any issues or not? Generally, in the more developed countries, they're using this kind of techniques to find they are facing any issues or not. Okay, so this is a way you can understand what exactly the machine learning. And the next video I will give you about the types and what exactly the types and what are the different algorithms are there. How exactly it is inculcated the algorithms and the coding wise and the math wise also. But I will give the brief intuition. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, guys, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.